Okay, so today we're gonna try the multi-meat pizza, or multi-meat pizza, however you want to say it. Surfer Boy pizza. It has sausage, ham, and pepperoni. It's a hand-tossed style crust. It's from Stranger Things. I've not seen the show, but I like pizza, so we're gonna try it. Here's the back of the box. You can pause the video and read that later if you want. From the Palermo's family of brands. Okay, there's the first look at it. Looks pretty good. It's got a nice thick crust. I'm gonna have to reorganize the toppings. I just got this home from the store and it's 94 degrees outside, so bear with me. Got a lot of pepperoni on it. I do like that. Alright, let's put it in the oven. Preheat the oven to 425 and bake for about 20 minutes. Alright, here we go. There we go, it's all done. It's actually a little more done than most people would cook it. I like my pizza a little crispy. Looks delicious, smells delicious too. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try a piece. Well, it tastes like a pizza. It tastes almost like if you ordered a pizza. Oh yeah. I'd definitely buy another one. I approve of this pizza. Thanks for watching. Nice and saucy. Hey, you reached the end of the video. Now would be a good time to click subscribe. I made this outro special for this. I'll wait patiently until this video is done. Thanks for hitting subscribe. And if you didn't, I guess you'll miss out.